property and casualty initial insurance licensing. Chapter 3, this is going to be common policy provisions. First, we start talking about the policy structure. An easy way to remember that is the acronym DICE or DICE. The D in DICE stands for declarations. This is the basic underwriting information. The first page of the policy is known as a deck page within the industry, and this is the who, what, when, where, and how much of the policy. So basically all the basic information. If you're going to compare policies, the best way to do that is going to be to look at the declarations page from the previous policy. They really nice so that you can give an apple-to-apple comparison between two policies. The I is going to be insuring agreement. This is the legal structure, and it includes the insurance company, insurers promise to pay, who the parties are to the contract, what coverage is provided, what perils are insured on the policy, and it also includes the insurer's duty to defend the insured on liability policies. The C in DICE is going to be for conditions. These are basically the rules and procedures of how the policy works, right? So it is the duties of both the insured and the insurer. And then E, lastly, is going to be exclusions. This one can be very specifically important, especially on any open perils policies, but definitely on all policies. And it details the specific perils, persons, and property that are not going to be insured under the policy. Common definitions. The named insured. This is the person or people that have been listed on the declarations page specifically, right? Under commercial policies, there may be multiple listed, but the first named insured has all the full control of a commercial policy. So the first named insured is literally the first one on the policy. And then there are sometimes additional insureds, people that are not named on the policy, but they are covered by the policy under that first party class. The insuring agreement, and the insurance company, the insurer, in return for premiums, must be fair in their underwriting and pay for any covered losses, right? And this is something that is highly regulated by the Texas Department of Insurance.